Welcome to Catapult CMS Announcement video tutorial. This video will discuss our announcement feature, which helps users collate and distribute information on the home pages of their districts and the school. The announcement feature gives the ability to prioritize announcements, integrate with social media, and post news directly from your mobile device. Districts can also push important announcements out to their school site. To access the announcement feature, log in to your Catapult account. Once you're in the dashboard, users who have access to the announcement feature will see the Announcements tab and button, which both go to the same place. Click on Announcements. If you have access to multiple school sites, you will need to select your school site. If you only have access to one site, it will go straight into your editing screen. The first time you log in, you'll need to select which feed you're accessing. Most districts have only one feed for the homepage of each site. However, the software has the capability to integrate multiple feeds, which can be integrated upon request. Once you select a feed, all announcements will show on the list, and you can edit them with the Edit button. For the purpose of this training, I'm going to add a new announcement. Title is required. You'll want to add something eye-catching, if possible. You can backdate or forward date the post date. Posts will be ordered chronologically by post date, with the newest post showing first. The end date is not required. If you add an end date, it will disappear from your site at the end of the date you post. Many districts choose to leave the end date blank, so posts will remain on the site as an archive in the See All Announcements section. If you are a district, you can post important posts to your school site. We suggest you only push posts to the school sites that are important district-wide notifications. Otherwise, we recommend you allow schools to update their own announcements. The priority toggle allows you to overwrite the default order and set your priority item at the top of the post. You can set your priority setting to top, mid, or low priority if your site's a district. If you're a school site, you will only have the mid to low priority. Your district can post items above your post. If you're wondering how a post got on your page, someone at the district probably wants it there. You can also add categories to your post, which allow your post to be sorted more accurately. Now, you are set up to add the content to your post. Add text, pictures, and documents. When you're done, hit Save Post, and your announcement will be automatically added to your announcement feed on the website. Finally, if you'd like to share the social media, hit Share Post and select Facebook or Twitter. The first time you do this, make sure you allow pop-ups from this site and share it as a page. Remember, all of this is mobile responsive and can be used straight from your cell phone. Thank you for watching.